Hey everyone, Tom here, and today we're going to go ahead and show you how to locate, inspect, and reinstall the check valve assembly on your D14MZ3000. Now first, to locate it, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the very bottom of our injection stem assembly. Now to remove the check valve assembly, go ahead and remove the lowest nut, which is called our check valve nut. Once that's removed, set it off to the side. Now, we can place one hand under the check valve barb and use the other hand to pull down on the check valve. Now the check valve consists of two pieces, an upper and a lower assembly. The upper assembly may come out with the barb, as in this situation, or it may stay up inside the stem or fall out loose. Locate the upper check valve assembly for inspection. Inspect the seal on the top and the bottom between the rubber gasket and the plastic washers all the way around. If you need to, go ahead and rinse this with fresh water, or if it is damaged, replace it. To reinstall the check valve, set it back onto the barb with the arrow pointing up. To reinstall, take the check valve and barb and push them both up into the lower part of the injection stem together. Then, go ahead and take your check valve nut and thread that on and tighten it hand tight. Now that we've got our check valve reinstalled, we can go ahead and turn on the water to check for any drips or leaks. Once the unit is pressurized, take a look for any water to be coming out of our check valve barb. If there is any drips or leaks coming out at this time, go ahead and replace the check valve assembly. If not, go ahead and reinstall our hose assembly and we can begin injecting. As always, I've been Tom, and thanks for watching.